Make sure your printer is turned. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi direct password displayed on the printer's control panel or in its documentation. Follow the on-screen instructions. On your computer, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Wi-Fi settings and turn on Wi-Fi. Wait for your PC to detect available Wi-Fi networks. Look for the network name starting with DirectX XHP. XX represents a unique combination of numbers and letters. Tap on the network name to connect to it. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi direct password displayed on the printers. Open Control Panel. Open Control Panel, click on the Start button, then type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, click on View Devices and Printers. Click on the Add a Printer. Windows will search for available printers. Select your printer from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation.